Welcome to Yummee Yummee. Simply scrumptious, one mix, endless possibilities. For more gluten-free recipes, mix availability, and baking hints, please visit yummyyummee.com. Chicken cordon bleu is a classic of French cuisine. Pizza is classically Italian. Our recipe puts them together for a simply scrumptious concept. And it's updated using a microwave. This is definitely Yummee Yummee pizza. Prepare and cook your Yummee Yummee Dreamies microwave pizza crust. While the crusts are cooling, prepare chicken in a medium bowl according to our recipe directions. Warm prepared Alfredo sauce in the microwave. Stir and set aside. When the pizza crusts are finished, top each crust with Alfredo sauce, Parmesan cheese, ham or bacon bits, cooked chicken, green onions, Swiss cheese, and mozzarella cheese. Sounds yummy, doesn't it? Cook your chicken cordon bleu pizza for 2 minutes or until the cheeses are melted. Yummy! A classic French cuisine with an Italian flair from your microwave. And no need to tip the delivery guy. Don't you want a bite? Order the Dreamies 4-pack today and start enjoying pizza again on a regular basis. Gluten-free. Dreamy Dog reminds you to stop dreaming, start eating.